world is made of aluminium, specifics and passion, infinitely recyclable. Every piece you see today was yesterday part of other structures. Means of transport, ethical appliances and other products which have limitless stories and sustainability improve everyone's lives. And it all starts here. Because by using aluminium, you're part of something bigger. We are very proud that the story of aluminium is Extrual's story. Extrual is much more than an aluminium factory. It's one of the doyens of the sector. With over 40 years of experience in more than 130 industrial sectors and in architecture. The company is firmly committed to innovation in order to offer customized solutions to each client, with 3 differentiating factors in the market: quality, service, and the capacity to offer finished products without seeking third-party partners in the value chain. That's why our most loyal clients do not perceive us as just another factory, but as their own aluminium factory. We feel that clients' products are our own, and that's why we love making extraordinary things for the world and for people. Aluminium is present in everybody's day-to-day life, and with an increasingly greater impact, as it's a material of choice due to its low weight, great resistance and durability, mechanical properties, low expansion and excellent aesthetic functionalities, as well as being repeatedly reusable without losing its properties. It's the material of the present and of an ecological and sustainable future. Our vast technical knowledge is the result of our extensive history and represents a distinguished value which is translated into client advice in each design and production process, a process with stringent laboratory controls and die care, with a high level of automation and the most recognized quality seals on the market. Extrual's is also the history of aluminium, and aluminium has countless stories which connect people and experiences. In any project, Extrual is your aluminium factory and your partner in design and engineering. Because, like Extrual, you're part of something bigger.